Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to prevent downloading apps and games on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap screen time. Perfect. So first we need to set a screen time passcode. If anyone tries to make changes, they will be prompted to enter the passcode. So how we can do this? Very easy. Scroll down and tap lock screen time settings. And now enter your passcode. For example, I enter this and re-enter your passcode again. Now you need to enter your Apple ID. For example, if you forget your passcode, you can easily recover it with your Apple ID. Then tap OK. Then write your password. Then tap OK. Now tap content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle it on and enter your passcode. Now we can easily prevent downloading apps and games. So how we can do this? Very easy. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Then tap installing apps and tap don't allow. Perfect. Here you can also prevent deleting apps. If you want to prevent deleting apps, just tap on it and tap don't allow. So that's it. Now if we close settings and close iPhone and now unlock your iPhone, and as you can see here, App Store will disappear. App Store will disappear. That means no one can download the apps or games. If you want to show App Store again, just tap on settings, scroll down, tap screen time, and tap content and privacy restrictions, and tap iTunes and App Store purchase, and tap installing apps, allow. Now enter your passcode like this, deleting app, allow, and close setting, close your iPhone, unlock your iPhone, and App Store will appear. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.